Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are currently in Sibiu railway station. Unfortunately the weather is not that good. It's been raining yesterday and this morning is no different, as you can see. But we are waiting for the train for Brasov, which should come on this side here. And train leaves at 5:47. Vediamo un po'. So we are at Brasov bus station. We're going to be waiting to go to Dracula's castle in Bran. There's only one bus an hour from here, so it's currently 10:49, so this one should leave in 10 minutes. And I'm assuming you can buy the tickets on board. I will let you know, and I'll let you know the price as well. Yeah, this is bus stop. There's nothing here really. It does say Casa de Bilet, which I believe it means ticket office, but there was someone sleeping on a couch in there, so I think it's one of those things you have to do on board. So the ticket is 30 lei. Make sure you got cash, as they do not accept cards. So it was 13, not 30. 13 lei. Very cheap. Beautiful view of Brasov. You can go up there with a sort of cable car, some sort of lift that goes up. But I think the view is much better from here, and it's free. So you just walk from down the town, there's a little path that takes you up here, and you don't have to pay nothing. Yeah. Loads of steps that take you right down the city of Brasov.